Hello, in front of me I have AMAZFIT Neo, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons. So you can scroll through the menu by pressing up or down buttons. Scroll through this menu until you find the Do Not Disturb mode option. It's the icon with the moon, this one. Once you select Do Not Disturb mode, it should say off because now it's disabled. And to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, press the select button, like this, to switch it to on. You can also press it again to switch it to smart. If you switch it to on, basically it's gonna be enabled, and it's gonna stay enabled until you turn it off. And if you select the smart option, it's gonna turn on the Do Not Disturb mode automatically if the water text detects that you went to sleep rather. So if you go to sleep, it's gonna turn on the Do Not Disturb mode automatically. Okay, and of course to turn it off, simply select off option. You can also tell that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled by this icon right here. So if it's not selected, you can tell that it's enabled by this icon next to the clock. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.